again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So a couple of you asked me if I would unbox the Vettsy mystery box. I did a nail art haul video yesterday, or it might be the day before, depends when I get this video out, and I just showed this box briefly, and a couple of you asked me if I would open it first. So this is what we're doing first. So yeah, this is the Vettsy, I think it's the March box, I could be wrong. I'll leave it up on the screen which box it is. These mystery boxes are coming in thick and fast, aren't they? So let's see what we got. Oh look, this looks pretty. Right, I'm going to move it off to the side. Look, I love all this packaging. Move it off to the side and we'll see what we got. Oh, this is a glitter. This looks pretty. I use these kind of glitters a lot. So I don't know if these are available separate or not. If that's the number, I'm not sure. This is one of them glitters that will look completely different on different backgrounds. This is why I like them. Depending on what nail art you're using. Like, look at that in the white, on a white background. It's got like a blue tone to it. And then over the black background, it's got like a goldy. You just get completely different effects from them, don't you? Yeah, there's all sorts in there. I like it. Yeah, I like these kind of glitters a lot. I'm just going to leave everything in its original packaging until I've got time to put it all away or use it. I like it. Right, next we've got another. So this one's got a number as well. Oh, I'm going to have to tip some of this out. So that's the number of this one. Wow, so this has got all sorts in it. So it's got like, I like these red hexes. They're slightly transparent and it's got the metallic hex. Love arts, beautiful pale pastel pink butterflies, small hex. That's a cute little mix. I've not seen a mix like that before. Yeah, I like these red hexes there. They're slightly transparent and it's got metallic hexes. That's a cute little mix. I've not seen a mix like that before. Right, then it looks like we've got one more glitter. I think I'll tip this one out as well. Wow, this looks like a party in a pot, this one. Oh, this is going to be fantastic over summer. So it's full of all different coloured dots, stars, and it looks like it's got an ultra fine. I think it might have all sunk to the bottom. Ultra fine little glitter in there. There's metallic dots, neon dots, pop. Has it got hearts in there? Yeah, it's got hearts, white hearts. That's a cute little mix, isn't it? Yeah, can you see this ultra fine glitter left behind? That's holographic, so that would give it a right sparkle in between all them dots, because them dots are matte. You'd get a right nice twinkle. Cute, I like it. Oh, I lied, we've got another glitter. Oh, this is actually not a glitter, guys. These look nice. These are stars, but they're kind of 3D. All different colours, metallic. Big ones, small ones, all different sizes. Yeah, they are kind of, I don't know if you're going to be able to see on camera. Yeah, you can slightly. They're slightly 3D, kind of raised. All different colours. Look at this little teeny tiny one. Can you see how they're slightly raised in 3D? I love them. I've not seen them mixed sizes. They're cute. Oh, what's this? Oh, these are little swatch pops. So it's a little sticky dot. And that's a little swatch thing. To swatch something. I'm not sure what. Just leave that there. Oh, wow. This is a mould, but it's lippy lips. Can you see? Kissy kissy lips. Yeah, you can see it better on that side. So we've got the actual lips that are doing like a kissy kiss. Big, medium, small. And then same with these, big, medium, small, big, medium, small. 3 different size lips. Oh, we've got to make some of them, haven't we? Glossy red ones. Definitely got to make some of them. That's cool. I like that. Right, we've got some stickers. Oh, these are cute. These are nice to just go around cuticles and stuff. or to put in amongst blings. They're cute, I like them. Oh wow, I've never seen these before. Butterflies and balls, but they've got a sprinkle of holographic glitter on them. Right, let me just focus on my pinky. And then look at this in the background, guys, look. They are gorgeous, so sparkly as well. I love them. They're beautiful, they are. What's this? Oh, this is just instructions for some of the gel that's in the box. They are beautiful. Right, we've got some foils. Oh, these are pretty. So these are like ombre, but metallic. I've got these, but mine are not metallic. Mine are just a plain colour. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. Not very well, but these have got a shimmer. Yeah, I've got these, but mine are just matte. These have got a beautiful shimmer on them. They're really pretty. I really like them. So you could do that as an ombre going that way, horizontal, or you could do it that way, vertical. They are pretty. Yeah, I've not seen these with the shimmer on. I've only seen them in the matte. I'm not going to pull all of these out, guys, because you can see them in the pot. This one just looks a bit plain. It's darker at the top and lighter at the bottom. Yeah, it's a shame. You can't really see the shimmer on camera, but yeah, they've got a shimmer. They're really pretty. And then we've got these colours. I like this plain one. That's nice. They're really pretty. Can you see that shimmer slightly? Oh, I really like them. Right, we have got... What's this? This is cute. Oh, wow. Oh, it comes with a little... Oh, this is cute. We call them pump bags. Well, we used to call these pump bags at school. It's like a little silk tie bag. That'd be really cute. To put your pyjamas in, a little overnight bag, toiletries bag. I love little touches like this. I always say it, don't I? That's really cute. I like that. Cute. Let's leave that out as well. Right, what else have we got? So we have got, oh, this looks nice. We've got a rounded gel brush. Look at the handle on this. That looks nice. Let's have a feel. Oh, this feels nice, actually. Oh, this is so soft. This is nice. I like the feel of that. You can just feel it's good quality. You really can. Ultra soft. I like that. I have got a couple of gels next. I'm not going to use this brush to swatch with. I'm going to save this for best because it's a really good brush. Yeah, and I've got loads of brushes that I use for swatches. So let's save that for best. That's a very nice quality brush, it is. Right, so we've got a couple of solid gels. And looks like we've got a gel polish maybe. So shall we get these open and give them a swatch? I love these little pots, aren't they fancy? Right, so we've got 064 Go Lightly and 076 Yogurt. And the gel polish, what colour is it? Has it got a name? Oh, 05 Girlish Dream. What colour do we think it... Right, that's what that swatch pop's for. Can you see this little square? Oh, I like this. So that's got a double-sided tape. So you would stick that double-sided tape onto there. And that square is to swatch and put on there. I like that. Clever, isn't it? I like that. I'm going to swatch it on a swatch stick anyway. What colour is it? Oh, I like that. It's like a really deep kind of rose. These kind of colours go really well with my skin tone. These do. I really like that. Right, whilst we've got that open, shall we start with that? Let me move some of this stuff. Right, yeah, let's start with this gel polish. Give it a quick swatch, yeah. I don't know if I've remembered to mention, guys, I've got a discount code for Vettsy. It'll all be below anyway. It always is. Oh, that is a pretty colour. I like that. I like that a lot. Yeah, I do like that. So I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds and I will give it a second coat. So let's have a look at these. We'll go with yogurt first, eh? So yeah, these are nice and foil sealed. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. I don't know what I was expecting. That's nice. Right, so let's go with this. Yeah, this is a really nice pastel yellow, isn't it? I really like that. It's a different kind of shade, isn't it? It looks really creamy and opaque. So I'm going to cure that and give that a second coat. So let's quickly do this one. Go lightly. Oh, that's a pretty colour. That's like a nice pastel peach. They're nice. They go really nice together, won't they, in a design? Right, let's get it swatched. So I'm going to cure that, give that a second coat. Right guys, I've swatched them. Do you know, I really, really like these colours together. I think they are perfect to go together. Do you know, I know what I'm doing with these already. I already know what I'm doing with these in my head. And these colours will work perfectly. I like them a lot actually. I've got a really nice something in mind for those. I like them. So that's all 2 coats, top coated. Beautiful colours. I really, really like them. I love these little glitter mixes. They're really unique. We've got to make some of these lips. Luscious red. Kissy, kissy lips. Glossy red. Definitely. That's going to be good fun. But yeah, anyway guys, that is it for today. I will leave links below with my discount code. Everything will be below. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.